Welcome back, dear friends, to another session of Colorful Cooking. So, whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31. Let us today see how we can do some no-fire cooking. These are very healthy snack bites we do here today. They are very easy and very healthy and very colorful to present. The ingredients we need are, we need some slice of bread, 1 cucumber, some grapes, some chicken mortadella or beef mortadella, some cheese slices, some salami, then some cherry tomatoes. Now let us start with the bread. If you don't have bread in your house, you can also use some biscuits like some Monaco biscuit. Any salty kind of biscuit will do good. That will be fine. Then what we need is, we need some mayonnaise, salt and pepper. So we can start with cutting the edges or sides of the bread. These are totally optional and is for presentation purpose. We are totally fine to keep the edges, and that is perfectly okay. Now we can, after cutting the sides of the bread, we will cut the bread into triangles or we will cut it diagonally to biteable sizes. Please take care of your little fingers. If you don't handle knives in your house, please ask your mom or your bigger sister or brother to help you to cut with this. Now you need to cut your cucumber into small circles and then half them. Take grapes and you need to cut them into halves. Take the cherry tomatoes and slice them as well. These are all the cutting part. Now what we need to do is, we need to take the chicken mortadella and then make a slit, that is from the center to one of the sides, and roll it like a funnel. You can see the video how it is being rolled. Gently, please take care to fold it gently, otherwise it will break. Now take a piece of cheese, sliced cheese, and cut a circle out of it. If you have a cookie cutter or something, a circular shaped one, you can use that. Otherwise, use anything which is circular to cut a circle out of the sliced cheese, and repeat the same process as you did for the chicken mortadella. Make a slit, roll it gently. This time you be extra careful because sliced cheeses easily they are breakable. So gently fold them and place it carefully on the top of the bread. You can see how the cheese and chicken mortadella are placed on the top of the bread. Now you need to arrange the tomatoes, cucumber and grapes as shown. Now it's more fun time. You need to take some mayonnaise. If you have a piping bag and nozzle, use that. Otherwise, you can just use a spoon and take a spoon of mayonnaise and place it as shown in the video. And that is ready. Now you can garnish with some parsley as shown in the picture, and you can repeat the process. You can make one more snack bite